One of the first things that most people do with their Experts Directory profile is add a profile picture. It's pretty easy to do this, so let's walk through the steps that you'll need to know. First, visit expertsdirectory.okstate.edu and then click the OSU login button. Don't click login via different authenticating authority. You can just ignore that. Click OSU login, and after the login procedures are complete, you'll need to go over here on the side to the option that says Edit My Profile. Click that, and then you'll notice on the left-hand side, this part here is going to be blank if you have no profile picture. So click Upload a Photo, and then you can either pull up a folder on your computer and drag and drop an image onto this section here, or click the Browse button. That's what I'm going to do. I find the Browse to be a little simpler, so we'll demonstrate that here. I'm going to click Browse, and I've got a profile photo ready to go. It's in a folder on my computer called Profile Photo. Yours might be somewhere else, but once you locate your profile photo, just click it and then click the Open option, and you'll see this screen here that allows you to do just a little bit of editing. Basically, you can just crop the area of the photo that you want to show up. So we have this square with 9 little sub-grids here. I'm going to move that around so it's kind of centered on my head. And then I can use these corners or use the bottom edge to kind of shrink and expand the area of that image that's going to be shown on my profile. And you'll notice as I make these changes on the left, it's also reflected in this little preview on the right if I move this around. I'm going to put it about right here. That looks pretty good. And here's a tiny preview as well. One tip for this is make sure it's centered on your head. If you have a full body shot or a waist up shot and you want to use that, when people look at this on their phones or even just online, it's not going to really show you because it's too much of you to see in a tiny little preview like this. So you'll want to make sure to crop the image so that it really does focus just on your head. If you don't like what you're seeing here, you can click this button to upload a new profile picture. If you want to, if you've already edited your profile photo and you want to revert to a different one, you can just click Revert to Previous Picture. When you're all done, click Save. And now you can see your completed profile picture over here on the left. There's no extra step for saving your profile. It's already done. If you want to see what your profile looks like with your new profile picture, you can click View Profile. And this is going to be what other people see. Now, one note about the privacy levels. You'll notice here it says this profile is marked as internal. There's 3 levels of privacy. There's private, internal, and public. We've got more videos that cover what those mean and how to set those accordingly. Or you can always click this Learn More option, which has some in-depth explanations of those privacy levels. So that's how to get started with your profile picture on Experts Directory.